So in this video, I will be showing you how to convert from vertex form to standard form in quadratics. So I want to go from this equation to this equation. I can start by doing FOIL, which is called double distributive. And since this is x minus h, we can go to the second one here, which is a minus b. So that would be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this gets to y is equal to a times x squared minus 2hx plus h squared plus k. And just so you know, there's a closing parentheses after the h squared. We can multiply these by a to get ax squared minus 2ah plus ah squared plus k. This part is ax squared. If you watch the video from standard form to vertex form, I talk about how ax squared is the same in both equations. This proves that a little bit. This part is bx minus 2hx, and c is ah squared plus k. And if you watch that other video, you will also see that this looks familiar because I show that c is equal to k plus ah squared. And that is the same for this equation. If we want to prove that minus 2hx is equal to bx, we can substitute minus b over 2a into h. This would be bx is equal to minus 2a times minus b over 2a x, which if you do minus 2a times this, that's minus 2a times minus b over 2a times x. So the 2a and 2a here would divide, cancel out, become just a 1. So now it's minus b over 2a over 1, which we know is equal to b. And since b times x is equal to bx, we can confirm that bx is indeed equal to bx.
I have a Discord server, link is in the description. Please subscribe.